Hey Flow City, this is Garrett. Today I wanted to do a little short experiment. What we're going to do is we're going to take the Copy.ai AI that I mentioned last time. And if you want, you can check out the description and a link to follow along. You can do it yourself. It's a 7-day free trial, 40% off, no credit card required. If you check this out, it's nonsense. What you do is you type something in. So this is an experiment. What's your product called? Describe your product, and it's going to generate a product description. I'm going to type in Couples Wellness Festival. Just click of a button. I'm going to create copy. It says, run by couples for Couples Wellness Festival is a full day of workshops, activity, and demonstrations for couples to learn tools that enrich relationships. Come, connect, play, and experience. And then it's got some other stuff about where it's going to be. I could easily just replace that with the location and the time and date. And then another transcription says, the Couples Wellness Festival is a 2-day multimedia festival designed for couples to learn and practice tools and techniques that help strengthen their connection to each other. It will be held in blank. This is the first kind of event, and we want you to be a part of it. These are just examples of an AI able to take literally 3 words, Couples Wellness Festival, and it is now creating copy for a specific audience. So now I can say Couples Wellness Festival for Gen Y couples who are influencers. How about authentic influencers? Because that's really who we're looking for. Create copy. Magically creating copy. If you go to flowcity.art, our website, you can actually find the trial with the 40% off. If you're paying for a copywriter right now, then maybe have them do this and they can get their job done 80% faster. All right. I'm just going to wrap up the episode with just a little snippet of how beautiful AI can help us be more creative and more productive. Are you an influencer in your Gen Y community who makes the new way of the world look easy? If you're a Gen Y couple who's good at what they do and want to share their story with a vibrant group of other couples, then we invite you to apply to be a part of this new genre-defined podcast. All right, that one's okay. Let's see. This podcast is about living an intentional and meaningful life in your 20s and 30s. I interview the most authentic, influential, inspirational couples who are killing it in their careers and relationships. All right, so I like that one. I really like that one. I'm gonna click save. I would probably change a few words so I can copy this and use it on my website. I can use it in my podcast. And then there's a plus button. I click more like this. And now it says making more. I interview the most authentic, influential, inspirational couples who are killing it. And who are killing it in their relationship to find out their secrets. That's interesting. Here I interview the most authentic, most reliable, and most influential, inspiring couples to forge a happy relationship. My mission is to help you forge a happy relationship with your favorite person. I like that one. That's all right. Let's just do one other tool. So there's brainstorming viral ideas. Here we're going to do. All right, couples wellness for Gen Y couples who are authentic influencers. Create copy. So what it's going to do now is going to create viral ideas. All right, here it came up with some already. Have influencers create a podcast discussing a certain topic that's relevant. Okay. Create a podcast with a famous podcast personality reaching yuppies in their 20s and 30s. Invite the most creative couples to speak on the podcast live. Use influencer networks to get people excited about the event before the launch. Do this by creating Flow City branded content around popular wellness couples, vloggers, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. And last night I just saw on TikTok, there's some pretty interesting creative stuff happening over there. Have viewers of the event record their experience and share it with their followers. That is actually something that we're going to be doing. So at the festival itself, we're going to have dedicated people who are going to be recording this for their viewers. So that's going to be pretty interesting. What if they could just get a bunch of podcasts and promote the festival to their listeners during the one-day event? The festival will be, in essence, sponsored by podcasts. This is great. Okay, I'm a huge fan of Copy.ai, and I highly recommend you go check it out because it is one of the most revolutionary tools I've ever experienced for Flow City. And you can be a part of it. Go grab the link in the description. If you just go to copy.ai, you'll get the 7-day free trial, but you won't get the 40% off. Just saying. Check out our link in the description and check out flowcity.art. All right, y'all. Peace out.